This is Roy from Alvon Investments. You can visit us at alvon.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. You're welcome to email any questions you might have also. If you're interested, we just let you guys know we do sell stock here. If for Alvon, you can invest in us, and we day trade for you. And it's stock. We're not like a mutual fund, so everything is divided equally. While the company makes money, a lot more profit potential than would be in a mutual fund or something like that. And you can check out our website. Watch what we do. I'll keep posting videos. So yeah. Anyway, you can check out our investors section. I'll make a video explaining everything there. Right now we're doing a small account builder challenge where we take $2,000, because I know a lot of you guys are just getting started out, and they take $2,000 with leverage, with 4 times leverage, and we show what a new trader just getting started out could do with a small account. And of course, you'd have to get an offshore broker, which I think CMEG is one that'll do something like this. So anyway, it's just showing what's possible. So I think we're on day 12, and I need to go in here and post our profits and everything every day. But today it was a slow day, pretty much break even. I think we traded EVOK. I think was the one we're on. And it was pretty much break even. We lost $3. So after fees and commissions, we were, it depends on what broker you use. But yeah, so I know it says 7 trades, 60% accuracy, but looking back, I see a couple of these were break-even trades, so that might not. I'd have to go back and do the math on that. So let's see. Today, I can't really think of much of anything that someone could learn from today. I guess it was like there hasn't been a lot going on. I didn't take any trades Friday, so I guess I just wanted to get some action on this one. Just log some trades, have something to show you guys, and unfortunately there isn't much to learn from it. This one was down around like $2.50 the night before, then it bounced up to $5 after hours. Pre-market up to $5.05, and then as soon as the market opened, I was hoping it was going to make a move back up to VWAP, because it did. It did bounce up right there to start with, and then just pulled back, and it didn't quite reclaim it the way that I thought it would. So you guys can follow along if you want, but I don't think there's really much to pick up today. But 9:36, I got in at 4:39, out at 4:44, and then at 9:37, had a break-even trade at $4.42, and same thing at 9:38. I had another break-even trade. That one for 4:51, and then the next trade you could almost call a break-even trade too. I only made a penny. That was at 9:39, and that was for I got in at 4:34, got out at 4:35. Then at 9:41, looks like I went for the first candle to make a new high. The fill's a little bit isn't exactly where you might think it would be. It probably broke through a little bit, and I got a little bit of a pullback on it. So I got in at like 9:38, and I got out. Well, actually, I guess that was the idea as the first candle to make a new high, but I lost 3 cents on that one. Yeah, so then I got back in at 9:45. Let's see, where did I buy in at? Yeah, 4:25. Yeah, so it's sort of the same thing. First candle to make a new high here, and it looks like I sold too soon. I only made 2 cents. So so in 4:25, out at 4:27, and then at 4. Then I took my last trade at 9:49 before calling it a day. It just kept selling off, and it was getting down to. I don't really like to day trade stocks below $4. I tend to not do quite as well on them. So at 9:49, I got in at 4:28, and I lost 5 cents, and then I just sort of called it a day. So that's what happens on that day. Yeah. So once again, you guys are welcome to be a part of this. If some of you guys that don't really have the have the time to do it, or you don't want to quit your job, but you still want to, to make money, I'll totally sit here and, we do all the work for you. And like I said, we do teach people how to trade. I mean, you can ask us questions, we'll answer. If we don't. There's no membership. You don't have to pay anything. All the videos are free, and you're welcome to spend hours here, looking over all these different educational videos I have up here. I won't even know you're here. You can come anytime you want. More than welcome. Once again, this is Roy with All About Investments, and thanks for checking us out.